All right. This is a motor that guy just bought the boat, and so we've done a phenomenal amount of stuff to it. First thing, trim didn't work, so I repaired it. All that wiring was in the boat, and so we ended up rewiring the whole thing. Fuel line, lights work, carburetor kits, fuel ball, impellers in there, power trim, and it was a actual it was terrible, but there's probably some videos of it. But we rewired. That's his trolling motor. This little battery charger was connected, but it really doesn't work too good. He had stale gas. We've drained his gas tank, put a new line on it. We're using our tank right there. Lights work. We're really proud of making it look like that, because all those wires were inside of there and underneath the dash, and we're quite proud of it too. That's about as clean as it gets up underneath there. We had to remount the steering because they had it mounted wrong. Master switch, nav lights work, anchor, bilge, rear aerator, trim on the handle. That's his aerator front. That's the trim on the engine back there. Bow lights work. And I know I've forgotten a lot of stuff, but this is just the final video.